name is Caroline.
And I'm Angeline.
Welcome to the Moreton Bay Library's Rhyme Time. We'll begin with our acknowledgement to country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby people, ningy ningy dialect ground. We'll begin with our welcome song.
Oh, I'd love to.
Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, and a great big hug to say hello.
Yay.
First one is, I love this song, Angeline.
I think they love it too.
Hey, let's go. I bounce you here, I bounce you there, I bounce you everywhere. I tickle you here, I tickle you there, I tickle you everywhere. I hug you here, I hug you there, I hug you everywhere.
Oh, lovely.
It is lovely. Time for a trip round the garden.
Ooh, round and round the garden.
Love it.
Fantastic.
Round and round the garden, like a teddy bear. One step, two steps, tickly under there. Other side. Round and round the garden, like a little mouse. One step, two steps, into his little house.
Oh, wonderful. I love the mouse.
That had a great little trick verse, that
was.
one.
You tricked me.
Are you ready for head and shoulders,
I
knees
am.
and toes? Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Heads and shoulders, knees and toes, we all clap hands together. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose, mouth and nose, mouth and nose. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose, we all clap hands together. Yay! Well done.
Love that one.
It's a great one. Now for open, shut them.
Ooh.
Hands in the air. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them, right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. Mwah. Good job.
Lovely.
Well, I'm really enjoying rhyme time, but
I
it's
am
time to
too.
say goodbye.
Oh, it is
now.
indeed. So the goodbye song.
A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, and a great big hug to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you another day.